Hi everyone, today is March 10th, 2019. This is my 24th episode about C++ type functions, modern C++ programming. In this episode, we will learn how to use type list and compile time loop, how to overload std output stream operator for type list. We will be using compile time loop in this episode, so if you haven't watched 22nd episode about compile time loop, please click this link. In current session, we will be using compile time loop, and I explained how to implement compile time loop in this episode. We also need to understand how getTypeName function, getTypeName category functions are implemented. If you want to know how to implement getTypeName, getTypeCategory function, please click this link. We will be using talkPlayFun getTypeName, talkPlayFun getTypeCategory functions. These functions are implemented in this episode. So if you want to know how to implement getTypeName and getTypeCategory, please refer to this YouTube video. This session continues from our previous episode, episode 23. Please double-click this link. Click Show More. Click this link to download source code from our previous session. Click this button, Show in Folder. Double-click, copy, paste it to your working folder. Double-click, copy the folder path, right-click your command prompt, right-click, Properties. In Starting field, Ctrl-A, Ctrl-V, click OK. Start Visual Studio Code, File, Open Folder, Paste, backward slash, Enter, select folder, Ctrl minus, right click, copy, Ctrl minus once again, Ctrl minus, select blank space, click in blank space, right click, paste, double click, right click, rename, type list, enter, double click, right click, rename, type list, enter, double click, Ctrl plus, Ctrl V. I erase this part of code, delete it, and I will remove all parts. Delete. And I copy this function, paste it here, delete. Now here, say int equals 5. If we want to know the type of A, if we want to print out the type of A, we can do like this: std cout talkPlayFun get type category A, std, and there. Now using type T double, I defined type T double like this: std cout talkPlayFun get type name type T std and there. Now let's build and run this function. Start command prompt. We need cd 24 type list cl pch local pch cpp. We pre-compiled header. Now we are building type list cpp. msbc local type list cpp m. So talk play fun get type category takes an instance of a type, in this case int, and returns its type int. In case of get type name, it takes a type, this is type, and returns its string representation double. Now let's try with this using type list talk play fun type list character int double. We defined a type list, then std cout type list. We provide an instance std and there. If we compile it, it does not compile because this operator is not defined. Now I disable it, then stream type list nl. If we build and run it, then this element type character int double is displayed at this line. We will overload this output operator in this episode. Now let's define a type list like this. Template type name types struct type list st it takes 0 or more types. We define type list like this. Then here template type name types using type list t type list st types. We define another one. I copy context here auto type list b type list st just t types. Then this is instance, an instance of type list t. Type alias for struct type list st. Also here types like this. Please note that this b is instance, t is type. Now we use compile time loop like this. Template type size t start index size t end index struct static loop sd template type name type name types static void print type list std ostream os constant type list t type types. We don't need this. Now here we are using compile time loop if context pair start index less than end index os talk play fun get type name type os start index plus 1 is not equal to end index, then this separator, then we are calling this function recursively copy start index plus 1 end index. This is template function template. We are calling it recursively std decl var. We have to provide os. Then here type list t types, or we can just say like this. Okay, so we removed one type here and we increased one. Please understand this syntax. Now here template type name types std ostream operator std ostream os constant std constant type list t types. We can use type name. I would say TL OS angle bracket OS closing angle bracket, return OS. Here in between, we are calling this function 0 size of types template. We are calling this function. I will copy this function. I paste it here. 0 size of types. We compass this TL type list like this. Now let's test this function. Void test output operator using type list. Type list T character int double type list 1 like this. std cout type list 1. We have to provide an instance std and there. This is an instance of this type list structure. This. Now let's build CLS. Print type list means this function static loop st3.333 this class type print type list no matching overloaded function found. Okay, please note that it can take 0 or more. In this case 1 or more. Okay, this is 1 or more, but in this case this is 0 or more. So we have to define another function. We can define like this. I copied this. I copy this part, paste like this. Will it work? Let's try this. Okay, it works. Now I will disable this part. I copy it. Let's build once again. Okay, character int double is displayed properly at this line. We can also do like this. cout type list B. This is empty list. Now we try once again. std cout type list B. We are using this function. We are using this. Okay, this is an instance int std and there. Now we try once again. int double. Okay, now let's build. So this is empty list. In this case this is empty list. This is int is displayed. In this case int double is displayed. This stream operator defines type list like this way, using this mechanism. Once again, we used compile time loop. This is called compile time loop. In next session, we will learn more advanced type list functions. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.